Good morning, everyone. So, today we are going to start with class 5 social studies, lesson number 11 India, location and extent. As you have already learned, children, like in the last chapter, we have learned about location, locating the places on the earth. So, as we have seen how to locate the places on the earth, today we are going to learn something, like India. What is India? It is a subcontinent, as we know. We are living in India. We are living in India. So we are going to see what are its location and its extents. Whenever we say extent, it is a latitudinal and longitudinal extent, children, which we have already learnt in the last chapter. India is a land of great beauty and geographical diversity. That is unity in diversity, children, as we have, and there are many features which are in India also. That's the reason we call it as a subcontinent, because India is having all the features of a continent. Now, what are the different features of a continent which India possesses? Like, it is also called a subcontinent as it is a home to high mountains. It has plains, it has plateaus, forests, deserts, rivers, etc. Everything it has what a continent possesses. What a continent is having, India is also having the same thing. That's the reason we call it as a subcontinent. What is the area of India now? Total area is 32 lakh square kilometers. India's total area is. Now, what are the latitudinal extents and longitudinal extents? This is latitudes and longitudes we are talking about. Latitudes are 4 degrees north to 37 degrees 1.7 inches north. This completely in the northern hemisphere. N we are writing. When we are writing N and N, that means India is completely lying in the northern hemisphere, because both the sides we are writing N and N. So it is completely in the northern hemisphere. Next is longitudinal extents, that is 68 degrees 7 inches east to 97.24 degrees east. So this is completely in the eastern hemisphere. So completely India lies in the northern hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere. Now let us see how many kilometers it extends to. In the latitudes, children, from Kashmir, which is in the north, to Kanyakumari, which is in the south, it is 3,214 kilometers. 3,214 kilometers. Now longitudinal extents now. Let us see longitudes. Ran of Kutch, to Arunachal Pradesh. It is, Ran of Kutch is in west, Arunachal Pradesh is in the east. It is 2,933 kilometers. It is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. Completely it lies in the southern part of Asia. Now let us see now. India lies completely in the northern and the eastern hemisphere, as I have already said you, like this one. When we are writing N and N, that means it is in the northern hemisphere. E and E, that which means it is in the southern hemisphere. Next, Andaman and Nicobar Islands extends towards the southwards